Well, we were a bit worried coming here in the middle of winter because we heard it's quite cold, but we had luckily two good days of sun. We were out on a bush walk and a bush drive, and I believe they've had exceptional winters, so it's not really that cold to come out here. The bush walk, what did we see?
Hippo, that was the highlight.
Very, very close, very scary.
All 7 of them.
And you know that they're right there and they can hear you, and they were getting a bit worried. And then the highlight was the night drive with the lioness, the white lioness, and her 2 cubs. And she actually came out, well, the cubs came to the bush vehicle, which isn't something that they normally do. And the female lioness was getting a bit anxious about that. But it was beautiful to see. And then, of course, my favorite, giraffe. We saw about 5 giraffe in the setting, with the sun setting in the backdrop. So all in all, just a wonderful weekend, 2-night stay, and just definitely worth the visit. So if it's summer or winter, this is the place to come and visit. So check it out, www.pumbagamereserve.co.za.